In this part, we are going to add the details to the chatbox. So we go back to our project and go to the components, and then we create a new file called chatcontent.js. And then we type REFCE, and then we create a container by using style components. So we have to import the style component, import style from style components, and you can see we display in flex, and the flex direction is columns. And because we will have the headers, the message, and also the input box in these directions, so we back to here and we change this to container, and then we also add the headers component, and the headers component is white in colors and it has a white box border, so it sticks to the top and it will use the display as flash. So we type header, and then we go to the index of the user page, the chat page, and then we have to replace this with our chat content. So we save it. Now you can see it replaced with headers. And then we are going back to the chat content and continue to add the avatars. So for example, we have to paste a avatar from the material UI. And then we also have to add the header info, which you can see in a normal WhatsApp. You have the name and also the activity. For example, you have the last active hours at the top, so you have this header info. So we go back to the top and paste this header info, and then we are going to add the name. For example, your friend's name is Emma, and then at here we paste the div. For example, the last active is 3 hours ago. So you can see at the bottom we have set the H3 has the margin bottom of pixels, and the div is gray in colors. So if you look at here, you should see the headers with Emma and last active 3 hours. And the last thing is we have to add 2 more icons. So we're back to the top. We have to add 2 icons, so we use 2 icon button. And then one is search icon, and the other is more vertical icon. And now we have to import this search icon and more vertical icon. So we go to the material and then we type search, and then we type, and then we copy and paste to the top. And also we have to search more vertical. Again, we copy this and paste to here. So we save it. Now we can see all of these already appeared on the top, but you can see the width a little bit weird because it do not use the full width. So we go to the id.js and we should add a chat container to make it in full width. So now we type constant chat container is equal to style.div, and this just has a very simple mission, is to add the flash is equal to 1, and then we use this to wrap the content, and we should type this as chat container. So we save it. Now you can see it used the full width, however they all stick to the left hand side, so we have to just add this flash into one. So the middle one, the header info, will take the full width, take up all the space left, so the icons will be pushed to the right hand side. So we back to the chat content.js and we back to the header info style, and then we have to go to here and add the flash is equal to 1, and then we save it. Now you can see it takes up all the space left and the icons will be pushed to the right.